Hello, today we're going to be picking another Mul-T-Lock padlock. It's got the classic core on it. I'll show you it. Classic core. I'll be using the light tension and I'll be using a go-so pick. Sorry, my hand's getting in the way. Slight turn on the core. So a slight turn, but it's still not the deep Mul-T-Lock. Still not the deep Mul-T-Lock false set that you see. Counter rotation, so it's obviously spooled up. Another slight little turn. Come on. Deep false set. So, just in the pins now. I love that when that deep false set kicks in. And there we go. Picked. Got picked. Zoom that out. And with this, what you can actually do, how you gut these is, you turn it, and you pull the bar out. That's how you gut it. Anyway, let's get this gutted because I haven't got much time. Come on, I haven't got much time like this here. I'll get myself sorted for work. Then when I come back, I'll be picking all these cabbers and all these high dimple, these hard locks. Oops. Right, let's get this out. Let's keep that there, the shutter there. Let's make sure it's locked up. Come on. There we go. And there's your air lock and bar and all that. So you can see it. I'll pull that there a minute. Whoops, nearly lost it all. Spilled. Right. I'm gonna have to be sharp here, like put that there, that there. I saved them, yes. Right, let's get that there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop all these springs out. There's your little box section. The springs gone in. Right, let's get these sorted out before I put these out. You can see it. Got company coming very soon before I go set off to work. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and drill protection, as you call. Right, let's get these sorted out quick. That's one of the Padlocks I've been working on. 15 pin. I've picked it twice, but I haven't. It hasn't been constant. And I've got these ones just before I show you the pins. 8 pin Padlocks. Then I've got these ones, Banams. I'll show you these 12 pinners. I've picked these a couple of times. Got quite a few of these ones. But anyway, that just wanted to show you that. So I was going to start picking them, but I haven't got time now. I'm going to zoom it in a touch. There we go. And as you can see, we have all spool drivers. At the top here, we have a standard driver in one, and then the rest are all spool key pins. I mean driver pins with the inner spool drivers. And there you go, a Mul-T-Lock classic pin and pin. Thanks for watching. Bye.